You survived? You survived? Are you? I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday, as you can see. What's up? I left it like open on both sides because. Good morning, guys. So I am all dressed up. I'm going, not all dressed up, but I'm dressed, I should say. We're on our way to Ikea, my favorite place in the world. We're gonna pick up a few things. I'm trying to spruce up the apartment a little bit before the new year, before the holidays, and we just need a couple things like nightstands, matching nightstands, because we currently have 2 different ones. And then, you know me, I'm always like trying to change up the space and, you know, keep things fresh and inspiring. So I'm really excited. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. All right, so excuse the mess behind me, but I wanted to show you guys this really cute little look at this mess. This Sherpa little sweatsuit set, I guess you could say. It's like a fleece set, and it's really pretty, like a blush color, and I'm tonal today, so I have this t-shirt on in case I get too hot. You know what I hate is when you're shopping in New York and you go in and out and you're in the cold, so you're freezing and you have to dress warm, but then you go inside the store and it's really hot and you're like, so I dress in layers and then I can take this off and like tie it around my shoulders inside, and I have the matching pants, and then I'm just wearing my Stan Smiths. So this is my look today. And we're gonna take care of all of this mess hopefully today. Like that's all recycling right there. And then new products and some Christmas stuff. So this is what we're dealing with right now. I need to get my life together. I hate when my environment is not in order. So we're gonna take care of it today. And probably I'll be working on it all this weekend. I wanted to show you guys this cute little arrangement I made in my little H&M vase. This is from Target. These little things, these little, what are they called? Like kumquats? I got these at Target and I love them.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish the sun.
We bought a lot of stuff. What is that?
We can't see it.
Morning handsome. Oh, okay. All right. Hi guys, so we are back from Ikea. Then we stopped at something called Christmas Tree Shop, which my mother always raves about, but I had never visited. And then we went to Target because I had to return something, and inevitably I found something, which I'm gonna show you guys. So let me show you really quick what we got. Hi, doing a haul of all of the stuff that we got.
Actually, all the stuff I survived, yeah.
You survived? You survived? Are you a victim of Ikea? Okay, first things first, we got these really pretty mugs, which I love for morning coffee. We only got 2 because realistically we didn't really need them, but they're aesthetic, so. Then we got this little glass container, which I love to get rid of, you know, all the plastic Tupperware. It's really not good for you or the environment, so I got this glass top that you can use with this one, and then we also got this size, and the top fits perfectly as well. Then we got these glass bottles because Ro is gonna make coquito for the holidays and maybe give it away. These were like 79 cents each, right? That's insane. We got some of these kitchen rags. We got these Edison style bulbs for the kitchen chocolate. We're gonna replace those, I guess. This was a Raoul purchase. Then we got, what is this again?
Volume control for sound.
We're very particular about our speakers in this house. And by we, I mean Raoul.
And lighting.
And lighting. We got this frother. This was also really cheap, and we both like frothy milk in our morning coffee. We got these two things to organize our kitchen drawers. This soap dispenser for the kitchen dish soap. This was from Target. I just like these for the kitchen. They're reusable. Instead of using a bunch of paper towels. We got, what is this?
To control the lights and everything else that we got from Ikea.
This controls, you guys heard that, the lights and everything else we got from Ikea. Okay, then over here we got some drawer organizers. Raoul is organizing his dresser, which is very exciting. And this is like a bin for those little cubby shelves that we have in the closet. From Christmas Tree Shop, we got a really cute little Christmas tree skirt because we're gonna get a big tree this year. I think, I know. Then we got all of these, oh no, frames because I'm gonna do a gallery wall with all of like pictures of our families and travel photos and stuff on this wall here. So this is gonna move elsewhere. I haven't decided where yet. What we really went to Ikea for, these two nightstands, and we got the 2-drawer mom set in darker wood tone. So we got 2 of those. My favorite purchase of all, when we went to Target, they had this planter, which I've been stalking for like, no joke, a year, because I've been obsessing over the West Elm one, but I can't justify paying like 160 bucks for it. So this one was $69.99, and I had to have a talk with myself and Raoul about it. But ultimately we decided to take it to replace that one and the table. And then we went to go ring it up and it was on sale for 25% off, which was awesome. So I'm glad I got that. I need to do something about this immediately. How many peelers does one household need? Definitely getting rid of one of these. This is ridiculous. All right, guys, so excuse the mess behind me. It's kind of messy, not really. But I am going to start building these IKEA nightstands that we got yesterday. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday. As you can see, it is what it is, you know? And this guy over here is just watching me as I do this. What's up? So yeah, I'm gonna get to building these nightstands and cleaning up this mess. Let's get to it.
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight it. Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you and your intentions.
Guys, so it's been a couple hours since I last checked in. I built the nightstands and then I was just kind of like organizing and stuff. Excuse the mess. So I'm gonna show you guys the next project that I'm working on, and then I think I'm done for this weekend. I want to show you guys this little hack that I thought of. I don't know if I like saw this on Pinterest once maybe, or like somebody did it, I don't know, but this just kind of came to me. I have this roll of wrapping paper that we're not going to use this year because I'm like over it. So what I did was I turned it upside down, or I unwrapped it, and I traced all of the frames on here, and I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to put it up on the wall, tape it up as a template to where I'm going to nail all of the frames, just so that I don't mess up and I kind of can visualize it and everything is straight and perfectly, separated. So that's kind of like a cool hack, and I'm going to show you guys when I'm putting it up. All right guys, so I have all of my templates cut out. masking tape. You could use blue painter's tape if you have that as well. I'm gonna unwrap all of my frames, and then I'm gonna tape these up on the wall in the layout that I kind of set up over there for myself, and then I'm gonna put the frames up. You guys, pro tip, if you don't have a leveler or you can't find it, I can't find mine at the moment, there is a leveler app for your iPhone. Pretty cool. All right, so this is where we are. I just went and I measured the back of the frame and where the hanging thing is, and I literally measured it out on here. So I made all of these dots where all of the nails are gonna go. As you can see, I did it to every single one, and now all I have to do is get some nails that are long enough, hang them here, kind of at an angle, and then the frames can go up. The first one went up. It's very secure, and I literally just drilled the drywall screw right in through the paper. So I'm gonna do the rest of the screws now, and then we'll rip the paper off and hang all the frames. Alright, you guys, this is the final result. I left it like open on both sides because the whole idea is that you add to it as you go. So now I just need to go and pick out some pictures, and we are done with this project. Need to patch up some holes up there and clean up a little bit, and we're done. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and that method of doing the paper is by far the easiest thing to do to visualize it.